You and me and you, we're gonna make some lino prints. This is what I have. This is all the equipment I have in terms of lino prints. So if you want to get one of these, they're on Amazon. I think they're like £26. So, but would high key recommend because there's everything you need in it. I'm not sponsored. It's just the only lino equipment that I have. So, but yes, would recommend. We can start from floor level because the idea of starting always comes with a design. So we need to design it first. Cup of tea retrieved. We're gonna start a new one. I think I'm just gonna do A4. First off, you are legally not allowed to comment on my scratch because, to be honest, I chucked it on the bed and then it just went bink bonk onto the floor. Let's start. I like to sketch in pink because pink makes me think, and I'm using the 6B pencil one, and let's just draw a box. I feel like that's like right. So what I'm thinking is like, maybe like a heron, just I can whack a heron in. And I feel like if we did those little hot dog situations, because that'd be quite cute. Actually, if that overlapped like that, that'd be quite cute, and it means I have to do less detail. And if we're gonna do that, we're gonna do grass, you know? Okay, bang, grass. We can do like some kind of background situation, figure out how people do a lake, I don't know. And then bushes, we got some clouds going, you know? That feels pretty padded. Pretty easy steezy for my first real lino print. Okay. Get a little look at some herons whilst we do this because apparently it's not scarred into my memory. That's general head, and then it comes up and down. It is kind of low-key giving goose, but it's fine. I'm just gonna sketch it out because I really hate landscapes. So I'm gonna figure that out. Bonk. I feel like that's pretty cute. Yeah, I feel like that's doable, you know? I'm gonna align it. I'll be right back. Okay, this is where we've ended up. These are kind of what I'm thinking in terms of values. I wanted it to be giving like 50-50, you know? God knows if I can actually do this. Let's go print it out and try and figure out a way to transfer it. Because I don't think it's just gonna go bonk. I think the best idea might be that whole like really scratch up the back, you know, with graphite and then like trace around it. I don't know. That was hard, and we just send it to paint, we just send it to Word, and then it finally printed. Ah, great success! Very nice. I don't know if you can tell. It's a little bit smaller, but bun it. We're gonna go and do it anyways. Strive forward, conquer. We're gonna open this first because, mahogany. Magically managed to get the only one with a big old smudge mark on it. So that's great for me. Let's just whack all the way around. Bang. Nice and neat. Let's just clean up these lines a little bit. Scissor man. 6B, don't graphic. So I'm hoping that's enough. The reason I did it in 6B is because it's softer, so I feel like it will transfer better, right? Maybe? I don't know. I did it right in the corner though. Should have left more space, but here we are. I am doing it on, see this side is like, nice and flat and smooth and shiny. And then this side is kind of like rougher. I do have to say that I only really get one shot at this because the printer is not live, laugh, loving right now. I wish I'd made a way for me to check. Ha! It's working. It is working. This works. It works. Yes. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, I love it. Yes. Oh god, I've made this so complicated. It's okay. No. Emotional check-in. Oh my god. Okay. No, it's fine. It's fine. I'm so stressed out right now. Because not only like is this the last printout, last little bit of ink, it's also the last piece of lino. The prophecy. It's where I get the smallest one. Makeup by Maybelline. The smallest one. We're gonna start with that. Okay, it's done. My elbows hurt and my wrist hurts, but banged it out like 3 hours. So it looks pretty cool. I mean, I did change it a little bit just because like on the corn dogs, it's quite hard to do like both sides having dots. So I just did it with like one side because I thought that was easier. But I'm actually really gassed with this. It is tiny. She is a whole 4.5 inches long. Like, but it's done. And what I'm gonna do is have a little break first off and get a scalpel off and just kind of like clean it up a bit. I'm not correcting it. I'm done. Listen, art is never finished. It's abandoned and I am abandoning it. So what I'm gonna do is I have a K-knife and I'm gonna cut it out. Confidence. Yes! It's actually harder than carving it. It's just cutting it out. I'm just gonna cover my nice new, what's it called? Oh my gosh, cutting board, yes. I do like to rip the sides just because I feel like it gives print. Ink tray, ink roller, ink, pressy foot thingy, paper, lino. Add those all together and we've got a print. Okay, let's see if this works. She is so pretty. Let's just bang. It's on. Oh my gosh! She's so cute! Oh my gosh! I am going to reprint those a kajillion times. Like, subscribe, comment. See you in the next episode of What Will I Make Next? But the next project, whatever it's going to be, is definitely going to be something. So, stay tuned.